So I'm back on with the BMW. I'm just going to get it mobile now. I'm going to put the dash back in loosely so I can get the car out the garage. I've got a little job to do for someone tomorrow, and then I'll be getting back onto it. So there's the Kawasaki Street Fighter, the zx6r. I'll be getting back onto that as well soon. So if you stay tuned, I'll be doing another video on that. That's coming along now. Not much more to do. Back to the BMW e30. So I've got a bit of welding to do in here. Ran out of wire before, so some wires come now. I've got a new reel of wire. A handy Ryobi light just hooked nicely up there. The light it emits is really good. So it's handy for this job, that I can just hang it up there. So I'm going to weld that up, put the dash in, get the battery in it, get it fired up. I've got a heater matrix to put in as well actually. So I'm going to put the heater matrix in, get some water in it, and hopefully it won't take me too long. I need to get it done tonight, and I'm going to get it out the garage ready for the little job tomorrow. So that's a little catch up on what I've been doing and what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to put another video on shortly of a job that I did last week, a little job I did. Bit of paintwork on a VW T1, I think it was, T1 or T2, it was a split screen camper van, or split screen bus rather. So I'll put together a little video on that for the weekend. I've had a couple of weeks off obviously with my bad back. You've seen my video that I put on there of my gravity inversion table that I bought to stretch my back out to help overcome the problems I've been having with my back that I unfortunately pulled getting that in and out my van. Easy done. So this side's all nicely in primer. So hopefully it won't take me too long to get the dash in there. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up for today. Just a little catch up of what I've been doing. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll be back at the weekend with a couple of videos.